Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I will show you how to remove background in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, head on to canva.com. Then I will open this Facebook post for demo. Then I will click on uploads. Here I have one image, this one, okay. Here I have this image with yellow background. I want to remove this background of this image. So I will head on to edit image. Then I will click over here BG remover. Then it will start processing. Within few seconds here background will be removed like this. Say in this way you can remove your background of any images. And yes, this works on Canva Pro version only. So if you don't have Canva Pro, click on I button where I will show you how to get Canva Pro for free. So head on there. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.